Hey, I'm gonna teach you some more tricks with juggling clubs. You already can juggle balls and you probably already can do a lot of different tricks with the juggling balls. The cool thing is, all these patterns that you can do with balls, you can do it with clubs as well. They just look differently. For example, when you juggle the clubs, this is the cascade. The same like you learned the 3-ball cascade when you just started juggling. Then thereafter you probably learned columns, like this one. See, you can do that with clubs as well. You can throw under the arm. You can even do a reverse cascade. If you see any of these tricks that you don't recognize, you can look them up on my YouTube channel where I explain them with balls. For example, I explain the W. Or over the top. And tennis. I hope you got some inspiration out of these tricks that you can try at home as well.